Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to set up Java on Visual Studio Code and how to run Java program on Visual Studio Code by following its official documentation. So let's get started. Make sure that you already have installed Java Development Kit JDK and Visual Studio Code on your system. I already have installed Visual Studio Code on my system and JDK on my system. Okay, now open Visual Studio Code and then install extension pack for Java development. So click on View and then click on Extensions. In this search box, search for extension pack for Java. Now install extension pack for Java developed by Microsoft. Click here to install. Extension pack for Java includes 6 extensions named IntelliCode and language support for Java by Red Hat, Debugger for Java, Maven for Java, Test Runner for Java, and Project Manager for Java. It may take a while for installing extension pack for Java, but you can install extensions separately. Extension pack for Java installed successfully within the 6 extensions. Okay, let's create a folder for your Java program. I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. And open this folder with Visual Studio Code. Okay. Then in Visual Studio Code, create a new file and save it with the name helloworld.java or anything else you want. You can follow its official documentation. I'm going to create a new file, helloworld.java. Okay, now write a simple Java console program. Now click on View Project. Now save this file and also write this line. and save this file again. Okay, now I'm going to run this simple Java program. Click on this run button, and here you will see the output on terminal or command prompt. You can also create a Java project using the create Java project command. Bring up the command palette by pressing Ctrl Shift and P or F1 key from keyboard. Then type create Java project. Now select this command. For Java Simple Console application, select No Build Tools. Now select the project location. Now enter a project name. Now hit enter to confirm or escape to cancel. Okay, now expand source directory and then open app.java. It may take a while for loading these projects. Now click on view projects. Okay, now you can edit this code. And save this file. I'm going to run this project. Click on this run button. Here you will see the output will come to Java message on console. Now define a variable. Now run this program again and also debug. Like, comment and share, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.